Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your eyeliner, especially those of you who are Asian and have a hard time of kind of doing it just because of the shape of our eyes, and we usually have a monolid, so we have a bit of struggles there. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my winged eyeliner, and if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the MAC Chromaline in black. Black is black? Or black? I don't know, wherever the blackest one is, I'm sorry. And what you need is a angled liner. This one is from Hourglass. It's the number 10. I got this a while ago, but any liner brush should do. And I'm just gonna dip it in. And what you wanna do is warm this up on the back of your hand. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna warm up the product and evenly coat the brush. So what you wanna do is have the tip of the brush face away from your eye. And just following the lower lash line is where you want the wing to come out. So I just do a little tick right there. A few light strokes, just so you have a guideline of how you want your wing to look, how far you want it to go. Then afterwards, you would just connect it. And afterwards, you would just go through the rest of your lash line. And just to line your eyes, do light strokes, not light strokes, but do short strokes. And I usually do this before my foundation, just so if I need to clean up with a Q-tip, it would be a lot easier. And afterwards, grab the product and line your waterline. So this is what it looks like, and if you're happy with how far your wing goes out, you can just clean up the little mess. So I have a little mess down here. I need to clean this up at the top. If you want to extend it a little bit longer, you can. But I think I'll extend it out just a little bit more. Okay. So I'm just going to do the other eye and I will be right back. So I forgot to film this part. Basically what you need is a pointed Q-tip and just dunk in a little bit of micellar water, because if you use a oil makeup remover, it's going to be too greasy. So I use a micellar water to clean up everything. So before you saw there was like a little bit of eyeliner here, and this side was kind of the same thing, and I just cleaned up the top. So it's great to have the pointed Q-tips. It's not the regular one, it's like the pointed ones. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, here's a side-by-side comparison. So this side is a lot more pointed than the regular Q-tip. So if you can find one, great. If not, then you kind of make do, I guess. Back then I used to use like a paper towel, and I would just fold it to have a pointed tip, and I would just use that. So if you want to do that, you can. I've done it. So now I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna go over my waterline just to make it a little bit more black. So there we go. Next we're gonna go in with the MAC Liquid Last Liner, and I have a love-hate relationship with this liner. It's really good, it doesn't budge or anything, but if you're gonna go over that same area over and over again, it will start to flake and it's not gonna go as smooth as you would like it to. This is a fine tip brush, which I really like for those winged liner looks. So what you wanna do is just go over that. And basically with that Chromaline, what we did is just made a base. You can skip this step if you like, but for me, I like a little bit more intensity. Sorry, I'm just a little focused. I want a little bit more intense, and it's not black enough for me, so that's why I go over with a liquid liner. Some of you might be like, why don't you just go with the liquid liner to begin with? The thing is that I feel like it's a little bit messy and it's too harsh. I like the softness of the gel, and in combination with the liquid liner just to make it a little bit more intense. Another downside to this is that if I made a mistake, I would have to go in with a makeup remover and not my micellar water, because my micellar water does not make this thing budge at all, which can be a good and bad thing. Just following that guideline that we made. And that is our winged eyeliner look. So just to recap, just follow the contours of your eye basically. And to follow the lower lash line, just to make that flick. You can't just have a flick here, 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 wherever you feel like it, especially for a lot of Asians. Like, our eye shape isn't like that. We don't really have a lot of eyelid space or anything, so we have to kind of work with it. But this is why we would just follow the your lower lash line, just to help guide you make that flick, and you would be fine. So with that guideline, it would help you a lot. It definitely helped me. So that's how I do my eyeliner. I hope that helps you guys on how to do it. Of course, practice does make perfect. It took me a long time in order for me to perfect my winged eyeliner. And even till today, I like to clean up a little bit. I can't do it all in one go. But you know what? Once again, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It will help me greatly. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media handles, and you know, click on the next video. I know you want to watch it. Come on, I know you do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.